te perlu pe sa isten nga ako abanay ka jing kuble ka besia jar ngo ifisia mo bakila pet biang kan ka video jing ni ba sa ang nemo te hakane ka video nga wara epi baidon ni way mo what's your name bro, you just tell your name.
My name is अब्दुल मुसव्विर, मैं केरला से है और केरला से मैं पैदल यात्रा करते हैं। केरला से अभी पहले नेपाल गया पूरा पैदल, उसके बाद सिक्किम गया, सिक्किम के बाद अभी नॉर्थ ईस्ट जा रहे हैं, आसाम, मेघालय। अभी हम मेघालय में हैं और शिलोंग जाते हैं अभी। शिलोंग के बाद पूरा नागालैंड, yeah, all the states of the northeast. Then I'll be coming to Bangladesh, Kolkata, Odisha, Andhra, and one day the whole India also. Yeah.
Okay, then I just want to ask you something.
Yeah.
What was the message you want to like to share about all the society or the like people from all over India?
So I started this journey because of for my self peace, and along the way I understood that India is facing a really big poison because a lot of people are fighting because of discrimination in caste and religion. So I would just wanted to say that we need humanity before your religion, because if you don't have humanity, there is no use of practicing your religion. तो वो इंसानियत चाहिए पहले, उसका बाद तुम्हारा धर्म practice करो. ये है ना मेरा message. So I just want everybody to unite with each other, to have that unity and harmony. And with unity you will have so much power. But you should realize that if he's practicing a different religion, that's his own belief. You should respect that, and you should see him as your brother or sister, and then respect and have that unity among yourself. And you'll find peace in yourself. Why fight? Why fight? Everybody wants peace. So why not make your heart down first, so that others also will see that, and they will also lower their head for you. Because in peace there is so much strength. If you are just fighting, that's not your strength. You should have peace. Peace is the ultimate strength. You should believe that, and work hard. And with each step, with each step at a time, you can achieve anything in this world. So I just want to say this message to you guys. And yeah.
The kumba players ngoma te ini di bala travel tang darak kjat mo through baroh kawei baroh kawei kari mo marila da bana po Nepal dan travel mentai dang po north east tenang ne after nang ne pad in lech po Bangla bat ngamtip in travel sa tang darak kjat mo iyo ya kjat ka baklan sai te bar iong ro baila yo kata ka mo kajing ya per haka jinglong ki briew ma kajing ya small per para briew ba ki don na prengka religious and something and all like that. But kumbangar ako aban ong ifisia ka message ko mo ba kumila siya minute kuntai long kat bala tengi para briew ngi habi don ta kam sim nong no humanity mo nong daladang ya don kata kajing yasun ka ta kampoi fi sa national te tangkat nehi kubleshuan. So min saya ayu yang sekundo biang.
Thank you so much guys. Subscribe to his channel. He's a very cool guy. Subscribe, like and share his channel. Bye bye.
Bye. See you.